Find or read reviews that people are talking of work-great smartwatches. The DATAFY Smart Watch. Elevate your lifestyle with Bluetooth calls, fitness tracking, Alexa integration, and a multitude of sports modes. Staying connected, keeping one's health in check, and utilizing the newest technological breakthroughs are crucial in today's fast-paced society. With a plethora of functions that support a contemporary, active lifestyle, the groundbreaking DATAFY Smart Watch was created for both men and women. This wristwatch has it all, including Bluetooth calls, thorough fitness tracking, and the ease of Alexa. Bluetooth calls at your fingertips. The DATAFY Smart Watch enables seamless Bluetooth calls, allowing you to stay connected with friends and family without reaching for your phone. With its intuitive interface and clear audio quality, managing calls has never been easier. Whether you're on the go or simply prefer a hands-free approach, this smartwatch simplifies communication. Comprehensive health monitoring. Keeping track of your health is a breeze with the built-in heart rate monitor and sleep tracker. The watch provides real-time heart rate data, helping you gauge your fitness efforts and stress levels. Additionally, the sleep monitor offers insights into your sleep patterns, aiding in improving your overall well-being. Alexa integration. The inclusion of Alexa on the DATAFY Smart Watch brings voice-activated convenience to your wrist. Access information, set reminders, control smart home devices, and much more with just your voice commands. Alexa's versatility enhances the functionality of this smartwatch, making it a valuable companion for your daily activities. 1.8 DIY dial display. Personalization is key, and the DATAFY Smart Watch allows you to express your style with its 1.8 DIY dial display. Choose from a variety of watch faces to match your mood or outfit. This feature ensures that your smartwatch is not only a functional device but also a stylish accessory. Versatile sports modes. With an extensive selection of 100 sports modes, this smartwatch is perfect for fitness enthusiasts. Whether you're into running, cycling, yoga, or niche activities, the watch provides accurate data and insights to help you reach your fitness goals. It's like having a personal coach for every sport you love. IP68 waterproof rating. The DATAFY Smart Watch is designed to accompany you in all weather conditions. Its IP68 waterproof rating ensures it can withstand exposure to water, making it suitable for swimming, water sports, or simply enduring unexpected rain showers without worry. All in all, the DATAFY Savvy is something other than a timekeeping gadget. A flexible buddy upgrades your everyday existence. With Bluetooth calling capacities, thorough well-being observing, Alexa joining, adjustable dials, a variety of sports modes, and a vigorous waterproof plan. It's a definitive smartwatch for those looking for comfort, style, and usefulness. Remain associated, remain dynamic, and remain in charge with the DATAFY Savvy. If you want to get full highlight features and / full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell and select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads.